Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, and as you can see it will be at the very bottom again, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, I've got a lock screen, so I have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and as you can see we've got the information that right now we are a developer. So now we have to go back to the general settings and find the developer options. So let me tap on system, and as you can see the developer options are right here. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force allow apps on external, we can enter the background check. Here we've got the option to disable USB audio routing, and so on and so on. We can show view updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the animations, the surface updates, and visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the feature, it works the same just like in the regular settings. All you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, this option will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. If you are done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enter, how to customize the developer options in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.